What's up, guys? It's the Ultimate Drake Experience here. We're here bringing you some new psvita tutorial. So right now you want to open up Homebrew browser. You could download Homebrew browser in the link below. So now we're gonna be loading it in. Also, you're gonna need a 4 GB card beforehand, and also access to Vita shell, BPK, and all that stuff, and also FTP client. And if you don't know how to set up SD2Vita, how to format it as well, I'll link you to Tech James channel down in the description. Alright, so here we are. We're within the Homebrew browser, and we're gonna be looking down. And I can't find. Oh, I gotta go back over here. My bad. Alright, so we're gonna download imcunlocklite. If only it will go through. Maybe I already have it. Let's go check. Unless I don't. Alright. I guess I'm gonna have to download it then. Alright, so you download the VPK here. It's gonna install itself and unzip itself. And there we go, finish. Alright, then we're gonna go back to the home screen, and we're gonna click it and close this and whatever else. Now we're gonna go to the thing. It should say unlock, and you'll press X on that. Everything else we would do, since mine is already done, I'm gonna avoid doing this. Alright, here we go. We're 143 megabytes. It only has 43 megabytes free because I already have other stuff installed. So here we go. Alright. What do we need? Oh yeah, so we're gonna, since you already have your formatted SD2Vita card already, we're gonna go to auto plugin. Alright, here we go. Also, your system should have restarted after the other thing, so yeah, make sure to have your memory card still plugged in afterwards. Alright, so now you're gonna have to configure your plugins. Also, disclaimer, you're gonna have to reinstall Enkaku, so you're gonna have to take out your memory card for that. And afterwards, you're gonna have to download it again and then do the FTP client, just as if you're doing a fresh new install. And you're gonna have to reinstall all the apps again and have auto plugin installed. Right now, I'm trying to remount my card if I could. But yeah, you should be able to reinstall everything onto the internal storage. Try not to put any big files. And as you see it, I'm on 29 gigabytes using the internal storage. I can mount my card now. I don't need another card. You can use the other card for some other stuff if you ever need. Let's see what else we need here. Alright, so also, you're gonna have to install Enzo all over again after you install the Enkaku. So make sure you have a copy of Enzo before you switch out memory cards, else you're gonna like get stuck. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut to working one. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so what worked for me is you switch to UXO, and you'll reboot your psvita right afterwards, and it should work, and your SD2Vita should work afterwards. If not, try reconfiguring the SD2Vita configuration files in the auto plugin, and it should eventually work. Well, thank you for watching, guys.